you notice the waves is a dark and light. From a three-dimensional perspective, it's a light shade and a dark shade, but we're looking at things three-dimensionally. So it's popping up in our face physically, not on a two-dimensional surface. Two-dimensional surface now, you have to have two values. Right? The value is the wave that's behind the wave, the color behind the waves is light, the colors in the forefront of the wave is dark. And the light and the dark has to blend into a kind of symphony where it transitions from darkness to light or from dark to bright in a very smooth, uncorrelated or unrelated finish. You mustn't see how the dark shade becomes the light shade. It has to be fluent. It has to transition fluently, where it fades right in or it fades right out effortlessly. The way it looks like one, but it's really two. Now on a two-dimensional surface, when you have this wobbly line, this wave, and you have the up under the two-dimensional surface now, you have to shade the upper part of the line in a lighter shade, and you have to shade the lower part of the line in a darker shade. And this is what will create that optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface. Right? And there's actually three values here. Values is a jargonic term. Every field have its verbosity, right? And values means number of shades. Two values mean two different shades, right? And if you look at the ocean, it's two shades. You have the light shade on the upper part of the line if you look at it on a two-dimensional surface. And then you have the dark aspect of the line, which is below. And then you have the fundamental